In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn crossplay on or off here in Delta Force on a PS5. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. It genuinely does help us out. But if you want to go ahead and turn crossplay on or off here in Delta Force on a PS5, from this lobby, what you're going to want to go and do is actually hit the options button on your PS5 controller and it's going to open up the settings. From the game settings, which is going to be the first option here, go ahead and scroll down just a little bit. And right above where the combat section is, you're going to see an option for crossplay toggle. Now, since this is currently being recorded on a PC, since I don't have my PS5 on me, the option is not here for me, but this is where you're going to want to turn it on or off. Now, in the case that you want to keep crossplay on, what it does is it lets you play with friends on other platforms. It also usually does give you better servers with lower ping and less latency. And on top of that, you also get faster matchmaking time since there's more players available. But if you do want to just play with other PS5 players, this is why you disable it. But yeah, that's how you can now go ahead and manage crossplay here within Delta Force. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.